In the last session guys, we are working with the models guys. Did you understand? So in that models, how you can create the table into your database, okay? And I have shown you one good examples guys, how you can work with PowerShell. Like what was that guys? Python PowerShell there, okay? And how you can add the data guys, okay? How you can check. So let me just open the PowerShell guys. It will be same example guys, and same project will be there also guys, okay? So everything will be same. I will not create any extra project here guys. So let's see here. Okay guys, let's go into the fourth project, right? Project number was fourth. Now open the PowerShell guys, okay? How to open guys? Like shell, Python shell, Python minus.py shell, okay? This is the command. We can open the Python shell guys, okay? Now I have just opened the Python shell. That's fine. Now I wanted to see in our tables what are the data is there guys, okay? We have one table, we have one models called a student guys, okay? I want to see in this models how many data is there. So how to check guys? Student dot objects dot all, okay? Now it will raise one kind of error guys, okay? A student is not defined. So first we have to import this one guys, okay? Where is this one guys? Inside the test app, this folder there is one file called models.py file. In this file there is one class called a student, so we have to import guys, okay? And I have already explained you before how you can import guys, okay? So you have to use from test app dot models import a student guys, okay? Now I wanted to check total how many records is there guys, okay? First you can use obj is equal to a student dot objects dot all guys, okay? This is the command. This will give you the all records guys, okay? Whatever records is there into the your student tables guys, understand? This is the this is what meaning of this one guys, okay? Now let me tell you obj dot count. This count is one of the method guys, okay? That will return the number of record, total number of count in this table guys, okay? There will be I think 4 or 5 something guys, okay? I think 4. Did you see guys? 4 count is there, means 4 record is there guys, okay? In this table means 4 row is there guys, okay? In your table. Let me tell you guys here, open the database. Yesterday we have work, right? Can you see there is a 4 record in the student table guys? Did you understand? Asutosh S, then next is Anand, then Aswin. These are the 4 record guys, okay? What I have explained you yesterday only I create one record guys, okay? Means 4th record, okay? All record. Then today we can see total number of record guys, okay? Today we have seen total number of record in this table. What is, how many is there? You can't see where is the data stored guys, okay? But this is stored into this database, okay? This is the database guys, okay? SQL 3 is the database. There we have stored it, okay? Yesterday how you are creating the record guys, how you are storing into the database guys? Did you remember guys? We are using one command guys here, like obj is equal to a student. This is your table name guys, dot a student slash this one guys, okay? Then we are adding something guys, name. This one was guys, right? Yesterday we are doing like name. We added some record. Let me add. Let me repeat same record guys, okay? Just I'm going to repeat same data, okay? In obj dot save. Now one more record has been created again. You can see database there with the 5 record guys, okay? Number of record is 5. Don't worry about the duplicate record. Yeah, what is that guys, okay? There is a number of record is the 5 here, okay? Now how you can check guys? Obj is equal to student dot objects dot all, okay? Obj dot count. Number of record is 5 in this table, okay? Now right now guys, you are doing this one from your backend package, okay? From your shell. Now what I wanted guys, my requirement is guys, I want to create one forms guys, okay. So from there you can add the data and you can save into the database. Understand guys? So my requirement is for this I don't want to do the manually these things guys, okay, like from shell or something from this Python shell. No, I wanted to do from the front end guys, okay. For examples, come to BasicToTop.in guys, okay. Here for examples, a student coming to register here guys, okay. We are registering the student first name, last name, email address, phone number and password, and registered as the trainer या learner guys, okay. For example, we are doing this one, okay. Same way I wanted to create the form for this guys, okay, for this student registration, okay. Same way I wanted to create the one forms with these fields, so we can capture from the forms from that screen, then we will save into the this database guys, okay, this database table guys, okay. Now this is the my requirement. Right now we are doing from backend itself guys, okay. There is no front end interaction, okay. Now I wanted to do front end backend both guys, okay. Backend we have done here something. Now I want to create the form, so anyone can come and just they can type it here, they can enter the data, then they can click on the save button, so data will send to the backend and into our view function, then our view function data will receive it, then it will validate, then it can save into the your database guys, okay. Your database like SQL 3 what we are using here. Understand guys? So that is the my requirement now, okay. So simple way I am telling you guys one thing. This is the your student tables guys, okay. I want to create the forms also, okay, for that. So you don't have to worry about the HTML forms guys, okay, whatever you are working before. You guys no need to worry about this one. Here what we are going to do guys, here in this file guys, here in the application I will create one file called forms.py file guys, okay. Forms.py file, okay. Understand? And this is called working with forms guys, okay. Here working with Django Forms, okay guys, Django Forms. So understand guys. So now what we have to do here guys, we have to import the forms module guys, okay, from Django from Django import forms. Understand guys? I have import the forms, okay. Now what I want to do guys, I want to create the one form class guys, okay, class a student form guys, okay. Now form.forms. Understand guys? Form.form. Understand guys? Now what I want guys, fields column means fields I want guys, okay. I want the fields here, okay, according to the models guys, okay. Understand? Django forms.form. Same way guys, how you are creating the models for database purpose. Understand? How you guys creating the models for database purpose here, like models name like a student models. Now if you want to create the forms guys, what you have to do, a student form, this is a class name guys, okay, student form letter here, F is the capital letter guys, okay guys. Understand? Hope you have understood this one guys, okay. Now what are the fields do you want guys, okay, what are the fields you want user to be captured, user to be the field. That purpose we will use the, what are the fields you want guys, you want name, roll number, father name, mother name, gender and email guys, okay. So I just add it here now, okay. Name is equal to forms dot char field. Max length do you want guys, max length, let's put it as 100, okay. Up to 100 characters they can type. Now next is guys, roll number you want as integer field, then father's name, then you want the mother name also here, max length, then gender you want here, right, then there is email also there guys, okay. Name this is the details I want user to capture. So I define it here. Okay, name is okay, fields, okay, guys. Okay, like what fields do you want, like which kind of data you want to capture, like integer means integer means in field, a string means character field, email means email field is understand guys. So I create the forms here. Okay, till now anyone have any issue guys in this code? Just ask guys, it's better.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. If you guys don't have any problem, let's move here. Okay, what I have done here guys, I create the forms here this way. Actually, if you want to do same things into the HTML, what you have to do guys, in HTML if you want to do same things, let me tell you here. You will write here input type is equal to text. Okay, then name is equal to name, then max length is there, required id, these things you have to write guys. Okay, and one label form id like name you will write for this purpose, this one you will write in the HTML guys. Understand, as a Django developer you should not worry about the HTML things at all. Okay, it will generate the internally, it will generate the same things guys. Okay, but this is the way of writing the code guys. Okay, in Django standard point of view. Okay, this is the way you can create the forms in Django. Hope you have understood guys. Okay, whatever I have just explained you here. Okay, I'm hoping that you have understood this one. Okay, now same way, now what I'm going to do, this is done. Okay, now go into the view function guys. Okay, here I want to create one view function guys. Okay, def a student create. Okay guys, I want to create the student guys. Okay, pass request. Now next, create template name as the student create guys. Okay, now I want to create one things guys here. Okay, like I want to create one HTML page here. Okay, so come into the template, create one HTML file .html. Okay, okay guys, now you have the code for home guys. Okay, something just I can just copy it here guys. Okay, this home code here, and just paste it here. Okay, I want to add here working with Django form. Okay guys, create the student. Okay, understand guys, I want to create one student here now. Okay, now what is our concept next guys? After defining the function, we have to link with URLs guys here. So commit here and link that one. That's it. A student create. Now let's come here, student create guys. Okay, that means your function name, just import it here. Okay, I have just imported it guys. Okay, like put a student slash create. Okay, no why this way. Okay, I have just defined. Now let's see, server is not running guys, just I have a stop it, means it's open PowerShell, like Python shell. Let's stop and start now. Python -py. I will go with default port number guys. Okay, 8000s. Okay, today. Now it's okay guys, it's running. Let's commit here, let's put it here guys. Okay, now what I going to do guys, let's open, let me open something called new. Okay, so I will open here. So what I'm going to do here guys, port number, it is called a student guys. Okay, student create. Okay, this error is coming guys because of URLs is not matched, that's why this error is coming, remember it guys. Okay, now let's come student here, create the student. Okay, working with forms. Okay, now what I want here guys, I want that form to become here. Okay, so what I will do guys, I will create one form object here. Remember it, guys. In this function, I will create one form object, guys. Okay. Form is equal to form name, guys. Student form. Okay. Now we have to import this one, guys. Okay. How to import, guys? Same way here. From like test app dot forms import a student forms. Understand, guys? Now I have import. Now this is the object of the forms, guys. Okay, let's see. Let's print this one, guys. Okay, don't print. No worry, no need to print. This is the object of the forms. Your student forms, guys, means this forms. Okay, this forms. Okay, I created the object. Now I wanted to pass this one into the HTML, guys. Okay, so what is the how to pass, guys? We create context into this way, key space and value, guys. Okay, I create the forms object. Now I can pass the context into the in rendered function. Okay, now it will send to the forms, guys. Okay, like it will send to the HTML page. Okay, now what I will do, guys, by using key you can display here. I have told you last time, guys. Okay, here I will just add it inside the quotation, guys. Okay, like this way. Now come and reload it, guys. Okay, can you see, guys? Forms has created. As a Django developer, guys, we should not worry about the HTML things. Okay, just I have explained you last session how you can work with HTML. Just basic understanding. Just I have explained you, guys. Okay, but here you guys you should not worry about these things. Okay, see, we did not even write forms related code, guys. Okay, did you understand, guys? We did not write this forms related code here. We didn't write in the HTML how you can write the forms input, tag, whatever something. I don't write anything. Okay, just I have done just forms. Understand, guys? Till now, any problem, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now, what I will do, guys? Since this is a form tag, guys. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to write into these things into the form tag itself, guys. Okay, so let's write into the form tag. Okay, like form. Okay, method is equal to, okay, leave the method, guys. Okay, I don't want to worry about these things right now. Forms open and forms close. Okay, because I want to send the data, guys, so we have to write inside the form tag itself, guys. Okay, these things. Okay, I have write it in the form tag. Okay, now I want here one button, guys. Okay, so go into the Bootstrap, guys. Okay, get Bootstrap 4.6. Yes, we are using 4.6, guys. Okay, so what you want, guys? You want button, right? So just let's paste it here, button. Okay, which button do you want, guys? I want let's assume I want this button, guys, primary button only. Okay, first one. So I will copy this code, then I can just paste it here. Okay, now let's come and reload. Did you understand, guys? One button is coming. Okay, but it's not, we can't click here, guys. Okay, we can't click here, so we have to mention type is equal to submit, guys. Okay, button name as the submit. Okay, let's come. Now click here. It's asking the required field, guys. Okay, we have to fill all this data here. Okay, all this data we have to fill it here. Okay, understand, guys? So now change the name, guys. Okay, save, submit, just submit. Okay, understand? I change the name, submit. Okay, if you want this design here, guys, just you can do the design also. Let's go something like maybe we can use the jumbotron, guys. Okay, I think that is the best for us right now. We'll use the jumbotron, guys. Okay, here. So this is the good. I will use, I copy this block, guys, here. Okay, let me copy this one, div. Okay, then I will just paste this code here, guys. Okay, outside the form. One div open, one div close. Okay, let's come. We'll get some kind of design, guys. Okay, something. Okay, now especially I want this one into different way. So div this completely, guys. Okay, guys, you don't worry about the HTML things, guys. Okay, just I am designing just for few, just I am telling you, explaining you div. Okay, now add here class container, guys. Okay, now go and reload. Okay, it's coming bit inside. Okay, now understand, guys. You don't worry about the design, how you can design these forms. I will tell you later, guys. Okay, see, this is your form, student form. Okay, now you can save this data to the backend, guys. Okay, what I will do, guys, there is one concept, guys, you have to know, http method, guys. Okay, you guys have to know one concept called http method. Okay, what is http method, guys? http method. Okay, hypertext transfer protocol. Understand, guys? Full form is that for hypertext transfer protocol. Let's search here. Full form of HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. Understand, guys? Now there is a few several method, guys. Okay, first method one is like get method. Okay, then post method. Okay, then put method. Just put. I will see then put method, then delete method, guys. Okay, so you don't worry about extra things. Just see about this one, guys. Okay, get method to get the data from database. Okay, yeah, from server. Okay, understand, guys? Post method to send the data, send the data to database, yeah, server. Okay, send the data into database, yeah, server, guys. Okay, understand, guys? Get means get the data from database, yeah, server. Okay, from the server, guys. Okay, to send the data into server. Okay, send the data from customer, yeah, browser into server. Okay, understand, guys? Yeah, client. Okay, into server. Okay, server means, guys, in your Python view function right now, guys. Okay, get method, that means, guys, here listen to me. Here just we are loading the page, right? This is called get method, guys. Okay, just we are loading the page. This is the get method. Okay, just you are getting the request from the, sending the request and getting some data. Okay, that is called get method, guys. Okay, now here I want to click on submit button, means your browser, you are sending the data into the backend, guys. Okay, you are sending the data into the backend. So this is called post method, guys. Okay, through post we can send the data, so it will be secure data, guys. Okay, it will be the secure data. That's the reason we will send the data to the from front end to the back end. In easy way I can tell you, guys. Okay, so once you capture the data, now here, guys, name, let's take Asutosh, roll number something I will take, na, will take na, gender na, and na at gmail.com. Okay, now you can click on submit. Can you see, guys? Once you click on submit, then data is coming into the URLs guys. Okay, this is not secure guys. Okay, this is not secure. You can't send your information this way. Someone can hack your website, someone can hack the things guys. Okay, someone can read it. Okay, you can't send data into this way. Always remember guys, whenever you want to send data to the backend, always you have to send data through the post method only guys. Okay, so what we have to do, this is the get method. Okay, by default you can see your code. This is the get method because we didn't mention the anything guys. Okay, how you will know, how you will know this is the get method or post method guys? What we will do, come into your view function here, right here guys. Okay, print request dot method. Understand guys? Just you write print request dot method guys. Okay, let's see here now. Go back and send the data. Request dot method. Okay, just see here now. Come and send the data guys. Okay, data has sent successfully. Because what was the issue guys? Just I have put here the parenthesis guys. That is the reason guys. So don't worry about this one. Can you see? Get method. Okay, understand guys? So by default, once you reload this page also guys, let's commit here and reload it here. So by default method is the get method guys. Okay, that is the behavior of default method, get method. Okay, if you come and see here, default method is the get method. Can you see guys? Let me add some message here guys. Okay, here default method. Okay, now you will get the same message guys. Okay, just I come and reload it here guys. Okay, here, where is that guys? Default method, come down. Did you understand guys? Default method as a get method. Hope you have understood guys. So this is the default method, that is the get method. Understand? Now what we have to do here guys, you want to send some data right here. So data always you have to send through the post method only guys. Okay, because this is not secure, remember it guys. Okay, click on same post method, data is coming here. Okay, right now don't worry guys, let's try to access the data also. Let's try to access the data, no problem. Okay, don't worry about the access, let's use the post method guys. Okay, how to send data through post method guys. Okay, now question is there guys, how you can send the data through the post method? This is the way guys. Okay, come into the HTML page here, add here one thing guys. Okay, method is equal to post. Understand guys? Okay, add here method is equal to post. Now right now it's okay here. Now what we'll do guys here, let's see, here now. Just reload this one and send the data guys. Okay, like something I will send here. Okay, just add here some data here. Okay, okay, so I can send the data through the post method. Okay, there is one condition guys. Okay, there is one rule. Okay, once you add the post method guys. Okay, in your code, once you add the post method, you have to add one more things guys. Okay, like CSRF token guys. Okay, CSRF token, this is create one hidden fields guys. Okay, and it will always generate some random value guys. Okay, that random unique values, so no one can, this is like one kind of security guys. Okay, so it will help to prevent the request and response guys. Okay, like this is one kind of security. Okay, that's why through post method we have to write this one. Okay, now come and reload it guys. Okay, here come and reload, add some data guys. Okay, like let's add some data. like uh, add Priya and something. Okay, let's add some father name. Okay, something. Okay, anything's okay. Add female and add here Priya. Okay, now send the data, guys. Okay, data has sent to the backend, but see, before through get method, guys, in URLs all the data was coming, guys. Okay, now is not coming into the URLs. Okay, now it has sent the data to the backend. Okay, now we can see here method will be the post method, guys. Okay, now here method will be the post method. Did you see, guys? Method, understand now? Method has been changed. Hope you have understood this concept, guys. Okay, what I am trying to say. Now what is my requirement, guys? So that's the reason I am going to separate this function, guys. Okay, this function I am going to divide into the two conditions, guys. Okay, first condition, if request dot method is equal to post, first use get, guys. Okay, request dot method is equal to get, then I want to run this block of code. Understand, guys? I want to run this block of code. Whatever it was there default method I can put into the get one. If guys, if else I add into the this block. Okay, so I have structured the code. I have just restructured the code, guys. Okay, request dot method is equal to get. If get method, then this block will run. Okay, now that means, guys, see here, guys. Okay, just we are reloading the page, means this block will run here. Okay, here is that, guys. Maybe need to again. Okay, that means get method, guys. Okay, default method as the get method. Okay, now again, guys, now if you send the request, guys, it will raise the error, guys. Okay, let's see, like Raju, then something I will take na, then na, then gender, let's take na, then something. Okay, NA. Okay, I have just sent the data. This time raise the error, guys. Okay, what they are telling, guys, in view test under test.views.student create function did not return an HTTP object, is returned non-instant. That means, guys, this function has no post method, and that method is not returning anything. That's why, guys, that is the reason rising the error. Okay, so define the post block, guys. Okay, if request dot method is equal to post. Okay, now what do you want if there is a post method? Then now print print request dot method. Okay, guys, like method. Understand, guys? Now just listen, guys. Again, it will rise some kind of error if I send the request then also. But this time you should not worry about this one, guys. Okay, let's see here. Again, guys, same things here. Okay, no problem here. Server is running, that is too innocent, guys. Okay, server is running now. Just I will come and I will send the data, guys. Okay, this time also rise the error, guys. Okay, let's see here. I just send the data. Okay, but this time this block will run, guys. Okay, this block is running and this block is not returning any. Can you see, guys? Method is equal to post, means this block is running, but this block is not returning anything. Okay, that is the issue, guys. Okay, this block is not returning anything, so that is the problem, guys. Okay, for that reason it's raising the error. So what I want, guys, here I wanted to return to the return. Okay, first what I want, guys, first what I want here, I wanted to get the request, guys. Whatever data is coming, just I want to collect, guys, here. Okay, So means whatever data customer is sending here, I wanted to collect this data, guys. Okay, so what is the way, guys? Add here one line here now. Okay, form is equal to a student form, then request dot post. Understand, guys? Hope you have understood this line. That means whatever request is coming from here, request the data. If you now let me just before going this one, guys, let's see here. What is the problem here today? Okay, now here understand this code, guys. Okay, print request dot post. Okay, now client request. Okay, this is called client request, guys. Okay, whatever request coming from the client. Okay, this is called client request. Request dot post. Okay, now through post method, whatever data is coming, it that data has in this method, guys. Okay, request dot post, this one has that data, whatever data is sending from the customer, guys. Okay, now let's see here. Okay, I have sent the data, don't worry about this issue, guys. Okay, okay, let's see what t request, what is the problem, guys? Sorry, this problem, guys. Okay, let's remove the t here. Okay, now let's come and save the data again, guys. Okay, here let's come and send the data again from front end through post method, guys. Okay, now see. Okay, what is that issue, guys? Here post, sorry, again this is spelling mistake, guys. Okay, post. Okay, here. Okay, hope you know what is telling, guys, clearly. WSGI request objects has no attribute pos. Okay, that is the reason, guys. Okay, now come it here again send the data, guys, here now. Okay, you know this issue why is coming, because your post method block is not returning anything, so that is the reason. Now you can see this time whatever data you have sent here, that data you will be seeing here, guys. Okay, below here. Okay, means we are receiving the request, guys. Okay, can you see here, guys? Hope you can able to see now. Can you see here, guys? Whatever data is coming from backend, guys, means from front end, name Raju, roll number 6767, father name NA, mother name NA, gender NA, email address NA. Did you understand, guys? Confirm anyone, do you have any problem, guys, till now whatever I have just explained you all?
No, sir, no problem.
No,
All
sir.
clear
Can
till
one
now.
more time explain the views function?
Okay, fine. Okay, view function, what is there, guys? Two method, get method. That means get method means like the default method. Okay, once someone is coming into the website, guys. Okay, like basic to top, what I want to display, this data I want to send, guys. Okay, display. So this is the like get method. Okay, let's assume this is the your view function is the your get method. So once someone visit in this page, what they can see, they can see these details, guys. Okay, they can capture the data. So this is coming from the get method. Okay, so I have defined the get block. Okay, guys, now next post method, guys. Okay, now I wanted to get the request from customer. I wanted to get the request from customer means customer can send some kind of request to our server. That's why I am expecting this details, guys. Okay, this one customer has to capture the data. This data I wanted from the customer side. Okay, so what data I want, guys? Name, roll number, father name, mother name, gender and email. Okay, so customer has to fill this form. Usually, mostly, guys, if you go in any examination forms like that, they have to fill, right? You have to fill the data so they can collect your data. Okay, the main purpose of forms is to get the data from customer. They can fill data and you can get it the data, guys. Okay, so I have just defined. So I want to save the data to the backend. Okay, to sending the data to the backend, we have to do by using the post method, guys. Okay, so I am just writing the post block here. Post method. This is a request dot method is equal to post method. Okay, okay. Once users will click on this submit button, that times this block will not run, because that times request dot method is equal to will be the post, so this block will run, guys. Okay, right now this block we are doing nothing here. What we are doing, just we are seeing what kind of request is there. Okay, request dot method means what is the method, like post method. How each post method is coming, guys? Because in the forms we have mentioned, sorry, in the HTML forms we have mentioned, guys. Okay, this form will submit by using post method only. Okay, guys, because of this post method is coming here as the post method. Now request dot post, that means through this request, uh, what are the data is sending from the customer, what data is coming, that is a request dot post, guys. Okay, Anand, is clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now customer is sending the data, guys. Okay, and data is coming here in this format. Okay, like whenever you write request at post, data will come in this format, guys. Okay, let's see in this, like you can understand because of this line, guys. Can you see, because of this one CSRF token, guys, that is mandatory, guys. Okay, CSRF token, because of this token we are getting this extra hidden layer, guys. Okay, hidden fields, can you see here, guys, these things. This is like a random auto generator, guys. Okay, okay. So once we send the request, they can validate, oh, this was your forms ID and this one is equal or not. Yes, some bot is using this one, that's the reason they can add the token, guys. Okay, just for verification purpose. Okay, security purpose. Okay, so no any bot can come and send the request again and again, guys. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, now here what I am doing now here, guys, this data is coming here. Okay, so what I want now, this data I wanted to assign to the forms object itself, guys. Okay, whatever object we have created here, I want to assign this data to the forms object itself. So what I will do, guys, here, form is equal to student form request dot post. Okay, that means whatever data coming into here, this name data will go to the name column, guys. Okay, means name data whatever coming, it will initialize to the this column, like name column. Okay, and this roll number data what is coming, it will initialize to the roll number column. Father's name what is coming, it will initialize to the this column. Okay, understand, guys, this will that's why I have just whatever request coming from here, just I have created one object and I have initialized this one. Okay, guys, now add here one column, check form if form dot is underscore valid. Okay, okay, then print the form data, then else print the forms error. Okay, guys, if forms is not valid, this is the line, it will validate the forms, guys. Okay, validation check. Okay, this is that meaning, guys. Okay, this is the lines, guys, bind the form with post data, guys. Okay, like binding the forms means that is initializing the post data to the forms object, guys. Okay, forms variables. Okay, like column. Okay, this is line means it will check forms is valid or not, guys. Okay, if forms is valid, what I want to do, guys? Okay, I want to receive the data, guys. Okay, name is equal to form dot clean underscore data of name. Okay, guys, understand, this name is like your form's name, guys. Okay, this name. Okay, this is your variables name here. Okay, I will just write here A student name, okay, here. Any problem guys till now? This code guys?
Sir,
Okay.
what is means line number sir type 70 27?
27, okay. That was expected, okay, that's fine, no problem. Now what I will do guys here, let's first you print this line, okay. Print this line, okay. Mhm. Just reload, run here. Let's see. Okay, no data, okay. Let's add some data here guys, okay. Like Rani, then something I can add like NA, 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 and NA at gmail.com. Okay guys, then I will just change the data, okay, to the backend, okay. Don't worry about this error guys, okay. Now commit here. Can you see guys this time here form data what is coming here, dictionary format. Did you understand guys? So now I wanted to access this data. I want to access this data, like name I want to assign into the name, and roll number I want to assign into the roll number, okay. That's why I am using this one guys, okay. Form dot clean data. Form dot clean data. Form means this form dot clean data, okay, of name. Name is the your column name of this form, okay, this name, okay guys, understand. So I want to access the name from that form, like a student name, okay. Now let's print here, print a student name. Now what I will do guys here, again send the request here. Now you can see the answer as the student name here, okay. What is coming student name guys? Can you see guys a student name, particularly name I am coming, whatever I want to get guys. Did you understand guys? That means forms.clean data will give you what data you wanted to access. I want to access the name, so name. Same way, if you want, same way, if you want like a roll number, like a student roll number, form dot clean data of roll number, okay. Now you print the roll number guys, okay. Now what you do guys here, print the roll number, a student roll number. This is your variables name guys, okay. This is your own variables name what you are defining, and this is the yours variables name of this is your fields name guys, okay. Forms field name, okay. Now let's see, let's send the request again. Now you will see this time name and roll number into your console. Let's see here guys. Did you understand guys? Let's see here, where is that? Why roll number is not coming here? Okay, here is that below. Can you see guys, a student name you are getting, you are getting the roll number. Did you understand guys what I am trying to explain here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I just want to delete this line, no any confusions. I just want to delete this line, no any confusion, okay. And I just want to delete this line also, no any confusion, okay. Now I want extra things guys, okay. I don't write, I will just copy and paste it here guys, okay. Now what data you want to receive guys? I want to receive name, roll number, and father's name and mother name, okay guys. So I will just put it here, father name, then I will just copy this line, mother name, okay. Then I will just copy this one, gender also, gender. The next is what guys? The next is like your email address, okay. Email address, okay. So I will add it here dot email, like then gender, then next mother name, father name. Okay guys. Okay guys, I have just added this line. Now if you want, you can print into the your console guys. Okay, now if you want to print, then you can print into the console. Yeah, you can, if you want, you can print into the your yeah, you can save into the database also guys. Okay, okay guys, I hope there you don't have any problem now. Okay, now print from student details, student details. Okay guys, understand now. Okay, means your server is now your server has till now your server has received the student details guys. Understand guys, that means now your server is received your student detail. What is time guys? Oh, it's too late guys. Okay, let's go fast track, then we'll stop it guys. Okay, it's like 10:30, right? Hmm. Okay, fine. Now what I will do here guys, now let's see. Now just fast track guys. Okay, let's see. Now I just wanted to, okay, what I want now guys, what I want now here, I am seeing, okay, let's see here, send the request guys. Okay, now your backend will receive the data guys. Okay, your backend is receiving the data guys. Here can you see here guys? mm, go down, go down here below. Can you see guys? Now whatever data customer is sending from front end through this form, now we are going to we are receiving the data guys. Can you see here guys? Now we are printing into your own console guys. Okay, in this is now, this is in our control now. Student name Rani, then student roll number 898989, student father name NA, student mother name NA, student gender NA, student email na@gmail.com. Did you understand guys? Whatever data a student has captured, means customer has captured, we have completely received into and printing into the console guys. Okay, this process is called sending the data from the customer and we are printing into the console. Okay guys, understand? Now my requirement is there guys. Now my requirement is whatever data is sending from here to customer, whatever data is sending here, just I wanted to print here guys. Okay, in this page, instead of coming the error guys, I want to print this page. Okay, I want to send data here. Okay, so what I will do here guys, what I will do here, this block here, I can write a return render. Okay, I can write return render request comma template name. Okay, then context. Okay guys, now template name is I will pass the template path guys. Okay, here what I will do here guys, template path like a student create same HTML page I am using as. Okay, same HTML. Now next what I want guys here, I want context also. In the context guys, context what I want here. Okay, in the context, in the context I will check here guys student name, just I will pass all the data here guys. Okay, just for your understanding purpose. Okay, key and value pairs. Okay, I just pass here context, all the context here guys. Okay, everything I have just passed it here. I hope there's no any problem. Okay, now what I will do guys, now see there will be no any error guys. Okay, let's commit here and see. See, there is no any errors guys, data is not displaying here. So what I will do here guys, now come into the, and also same time guys also. Okay, don't pass the form subject right now. What I will do here, I will just display here guys. Okay, I will just display here. Okay, like let's take this way. I will just okay. I will just introducing you one more concept here, guys. Like list concept. Okay, how to define list? Like order list. OL order list opening, then OL order list closing. Okay, sorry slash OL, right? Let's see here slash OL. Okay, then I will take here LI open LI close. So here I will take here one thing, guys. Student name. Okay, now what I want here, guys, a student name, same way, guys. Okay, I want here. Did you understand, guys, this line? Now let's see here. Let's send the request from the front end here. Can you see all data is coming here, guys? Did you understand, guys? Till now it's clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
get confused, guys. Data I am not saving into anywhere, just I am seeing passing data here. Okay, from here something I am passing, then just I am displaying here. Okay, gmail.com. Okay, just I am displaying here. Okay, can you see? Then forms is hiding, guys. Okay, what I will do, guys, here forms is hiding, that means just I can pass this same forms object, guys, here also. Here also I can pass same forms object here. Just you can commit here and pass the forms object also to the backend from the front end only, means from front end to the backend. Okay, now see here, reload these things, add some data here. Okay, add gmail.com and send it here. Okay, can you see whatever data we are sending, we are displaying into the front end, guys. Okay, change this one, change this one, change gender as the other. Okay, can you see, guys? Did you understand this concept, guys? What I have explained you now is very
Yes, sir.
basic,
All clear.
and most of the people don't know these things also. So this concept, just we are sending data from the front end to the back end, and again we are displaying to the back end. Okay, sorry, again we are displaying into the front end. That's what I have just explained you now, guys. Okay, this is the end-to-end process. But in next session, guys, I will explain you how you can save this data into the your database. Did you understand, guys? So till now
Okay, sir.
data is not storing into the database. Can you see? I entered a lot of data, but no any data has been stored into the database. So this will be like next concept, guys. Okay, next session we can meet, you can see all those things. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Asutosh, it's clear? You both of you just confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I think so we can stop the session here today, and we will meet tomorrow, and we'll next concept. Okay, in tomorrow we'll explain you how you can save the data from there, then how you can read all the data from the database, guys. Okay, this all the data I want to display here, that will be the next concept, guys. Okay, then